Hello all, welcome to my channel Prashant D2D. So as discussed in my last class, today I am going to cover the main JCL interview questions which will be most frequently asked in all the interviews. So I will tell the list of questions one by one. So first one is how to check whether a file is empty, like that. So for that we can give id camps, and if we get written code 4 means the file is empty, like that we need to tell. And then second question is what is a restart parameter. So restart parameter means restart equal to some step name if we give, so the job will be restarted from that particular step. That is second question. And third question is how to pass data to COBOL from JCL. What are the ways of passing data from JCL to COBOL? There are two ways actually. One is sysintd and accept. Another is POM and linkage section. So sysintd down some values if you give, and in COBOL in JCL sysintd down some values if you give, and in COBOL in accept if you give any variable, that value will be passed to this variable. In the same way, POM and linkage section. POM in JCL, POM value which one will be given. In linkage section in COBOL in linkage section, any variable is declared, that value POM value will be passed to this linkage section variable. In this way, in these two ways, data is passed from. In these two ways, data can be passed from JCL to COBOL. Next question is input file is there, same properties output file also need to be have. What is the way? So we can give simply as a dcb equal to star.sysut1, means sysut1 is the input dataset name. So sysut2 we need to give dsn, those things and all, and in dcb we need to give dcb equal to star.sysut1. That is the thing. And cond equal to even and only. Second question. Next question is so cond equal to even means step will be executed even if any of the previous job steps abends. Cond equal to only means the step will be executed only when previous step abends or abnormally terminates. Cond equal to even means if any of the previous steps abnormally terminates or abends. That is the thing. Next question is how to run particular steps in JCL. For that we need to use IEB edit. So IEB edit we need to give in this step name. In step we need to give IEB edit utility, and here down edit type equal to include step name equal to what and all steps need to be executed in JCL. That steps if we give, only those steps in JCL will be executed. And another is next question is skip rec. So skip rec means if we use skip rec equal to 1000 means in suppose input file there are 3000 records are there. So first 1000 records won't be executed, won't be copied to output dataset. Next 2000 records only will be copied to output dataset. This is the use of skip rec. Next question is start rec and end rec. So start rec from which record to which record we need to copy. Start rec equal to 1, end rec equal to 1000 means 1 to 1000 records will be copied from input file to output file. Okay, then next question is timeout error. So timeout error means mostly S322 append will come. So if we give time, CPU takes more time than job takes more time than CPU time which class takes, then this S322 append occurs. So for this time equal to 1440 we will code. Next thing is notify. What is the use of notify? Means it will indicate success or failure message of the JCL. Next question is how to convert either FB file to VB file or VB file to FB file. So we need to give FB file to VB file means FTOV, and VB file to FB file means FVTOF. Okay. Another next question is what is the use of temporary dataset? So temporary dataset is used when we need to create and delete the job step instantly in the job step creation itself. So in this way, in this scenario, we will go to temporary dataset, and the syntax of this temporary dataset will be like DSN equal to & temp. So next one is next question is IFBR14 utility. So it is used to create an empty dataset or delete existing dataset. It is in one way we can tell as dummy utility or no operation utility, like that. Next is which utility. Next question is which utility we will use for COBOL DB2 precompilation. So we will use in DB2 part. We will go for we will use IKGF01 utility. Then some questions they will ask on GDG, like what is the limit of GDG versions, and empty, no empty, scratch, no scratch. So empty means uncatalog all generations. No empty means uncatalog least recent generation. Scratch means physically delete generation, and no scratch means do not delete dataset. And then GDG base means name of the GDG dataset. Then this is the most important question which I faced in so many interview questions. So how to move records from input file to output file in reverse order? So we need to give two steps. In one first step, we need to give like sort fields equal to copy, outrec equal to, suppose 80 records are there, means 1, 80, sequence number, 4, ZD. And in second step, we need to code like sort fields equal to 81, 4, ZD, D, and in down outrec equal to 1, 80. So 80 records will be copied in reverse order from input file to output file in this way if we code in this way. Then the another most important question which I faced in so many interviews is like how to change only particular file name in any proc. Suppose in one proc there are 5 files, file 1, file 2, file 3, file 4, file 5. So I need to change only file 3's name to file 6 name. In this way, what we need to do is we need to override in this way like job name dot proc name. Sorry, in that job step is there, right? So step name dot proc name, and we need to empty the data, means dd. And we need to leave empty, and dd where file 3 is there we need to give DSN equal to file 6 name, and again dd we need to give. In this way file 3 to file 6 name we can change in this way of overriding. The last question is what is the use of space parameter in JCL? Space required to run any job step in JCL. So hope this video will be useful for all of you for attending mainframe interview related to JCL topics. So by here I am stopping this video. If you have any doubts, please ping in comment section. I am always ready to help you. Please stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.